Can you guys see the software right here? Yeah. So it's very simple. Let me make sure you guys can see my screen. Yeah. Okay. So if I were to go in here, you're going to see it is very, very simple. We have it to where they can instantly lock rewards, or we have it to where you can have like an actual contest and people can win prizes where they get, entries and all that stuff. But I'll put a preview of it over here like we did with AI Bot Studio. I'm not worried about that right now, but you put your title, your description, you set your dates, and then what's going to happen is you're going to pull in your prizes, and these pull in from whatchamacallit. They pull in from GC. And I can come in here, I can have first place, I can have second place, I can have third place. Very, very simple, clean software, okay? We do the same thing for instant rewards. If somebody, let's say that for every single sign up somebody gets is worth a point. So when you get 20 points or whatever else, then you're going to get this reward. And when you get 50 points, you're going to get this reward, right? Okay, so no big deal. Setting up a contest, very, very easy compared to anything we've ever done in the past, okay? So now we have this contest set up, and you can see it's going to pull in your leads and your referrals. It's got your percentages, all that garbage. All right. But this over here is where you're going to pull your rewards in from GC. So these rewards are not real right now, but you can see it's pulling in from GC. I can also add a reward right here inside the screen, but GC is going to handle rewards for CoreSprout. It's going to handle rewards for this software, which is called ShareBirdy, and it's going to handle the rewards for your newsletter as well, where people can share your newsletter registration and they can sign up that way. But I'm here to tell you, you're going to get way more subscribers by doing this rather than just sharing your newsletter page. Like you want people to share current issues. So when I look at this, and I see that, okay, we can go and, this can say, hey, stop us, stop the corner bar from popping up on Melrose Street, right? And so if I were to go and if I were to edit this page, you can see it's very, very simple. Like I said, we'll have a preview over here, but you got a subheadline, you got a headline, you can load a video, image, whatever else, right? Pretty simple there. That's what it looks like on the main page. And then after opt-in, this is what it's going to look like, right? You can have a different video, whatever else. And then when you're logged in, this is what it's going to look like. And you can see my developers are just having a great time. All this Hollow Knight, Batman, all this stuff. And then when they're logged in, this is what it looks like as well. Okay. So you have total control over these 4 pages, which I'll show you, right? So that's the pages. And then what we can do is we can have a little quiz. So this here says, are you a programmer? Yes or no. Which house, this is multiple choice. Which house do you belong to? They did all this stuff. I think they meant Summerlin, but I don't know. And then this is a single answer. Where are you located? Now you don't have to have a quiz. We can turn a quiz off and we could just go right over here to the form, which means you could just have a page that people are sharing where they sign up for your contest, right? So I've been doing everything I can to make this as simple as possible. All the other contest software we've ever built has been extremely complicated. So it's actually very, very simple. I'll show you the process, and this is what we're going to be doing, right? So right now I'm logged in, but let me log out, right? So it looks like this, very, very simple. So imagine having a picture of that bar here. Help us stop this from opening, or do you agree with what the city council is saying? Like whatever else, okay? And then what's going to happen is they're going to be able to go in there and they're going to actually be able to take this quiz. And it's beautiful on mobile, right? So I'm going to say, okay, I live here. Where are you located? I'm located in Summerlin. Cool. Next. All right, look at this. Enter your email to count your vote and play for the contest, right? So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to do 38gmail.com. And notice everything's changing here, right? Submit your answer, and then boom, there you go. So now we got a timer up here, right? Welcome to the programming world. You're successfully signed up at whatever the hell they're doing here. But now I got a share link. So now I can copy this link and I can go out there and share this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put links up here where people can see the prizes and they can see the rewards. But we could have also shown that on this page here, right? This page here could have said, hey, here's your chance to win a lifetime supply of Kellogg cereal. Imagine if you could come over here when you set up your contest and you could say, look, for every 100 people you put in to my newsletter, I'll give you a vacation. Whew, what if everybody had the chance to earn that? And we've already gone through, we've already added like custom domains to it. We've already done all that stuff. I'm actually probably going to test this out either today or tomorrow on our pages, so you'll see it. But you'll use your own domain. It's integrated completely with GC. And like I said, all five of these issues, like pretend like this one says stop the bar from opening, and this one has a video, and this one says sign the petition, and this one says this, and this one says that, and you're posting on your page. It's already got all the SEO meta built into it, and everything else, right? Like we're set.